The Illinois chorus frog is a state-threatened species which lives in rare sand prairies in Illinois, Missouri, and Arkansas. I chose this species for my video because I'm doing my thesis research on their population and movements. Also, they're adorable. The Illinois chorus frog is threatened in Illinois due to habitat destruction, roadkill, and predation. These frogs overwinter in rare sand prairies as seen here, which are found along the Mississippi and Illinois rivers. They breed in ephemeral ponds and wetlands with no fish present, just like this one. Much of this habitat has been destroyed with changing farming practices and development. In addition, the frogs are frequently hit by cars when crossing roads to go from overwintering sites to breeding ponds in the spring. The frogs must breed in ponds without fish because fish will eat the eggs and tadpoles. In years with heavy rain, flooding may bring in fish from nearby creeks, creating a predator which the frogs are defenseless against, even if the pond dries that summer. You can hear the mating calls of the males here. The mating behavior is typical of chorus frogs, where the males aggregate at a pond, call to attract females, form amplexus, and lay their eggs on emergent vegetation. Illinois chorus frogs are within the tree frog family Hylidae. Illinois chorus frogs shown on the right are closely related to Strecker's chorus frog, Pseudacris struckeri, on the left, which live in western Arkansas, southeastern Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Illinois chorus frogs were considered a subspecies of Strecker's chorus frogs until recently. As you can see, these two species resemble each other very closely, but according to genetic studies, they diverged 0.35 to 1.4 million years ago. It is predicted that during the Ice Age, Strecker's chorus frogs lived in the southern United States and two populations were separated. When the glaciers retreated, a population moved northeast along the Arkansas River floodway, becoming Illinois chorus frogs. Illinois chorus frogs live in one county in northeast Arkansas. They used to be found in 5 counties, but have lost 61% of their habitat. They live in 6 counties in the Boot Heel of Missouri and in 3 areas of Illinois. In Illinois, there's one small group of frogs far south, across the Mississippi River from the Missouri population. The next group in Illinois resides in the central portion of the state along the Illinois River, where they have declined from 9 counties to only 6. There used to be several populations in southwest Illinois near St. Louis, in Monroe and Madison counties. Now those in Monroe County have been extirpated. Of the 3 choruses in Madison County, only 1 remains, and that is near the SIUE campus. Population estimates in this area have declined from 714 frogs in 1993 to 205 in 2008. Illinois chorus frogs are interesting in many ways. The first is that they live in rare habitat, the sand prairie. Sand prairies are very dry areas, especially in comparison to the abundance of forests and rivers in Missouri and Illinois. The frogs burrow headfirst into the sand, which is unique to this species. They stay underground all year except for the breeding season, which occurs from late February to late May. While underground, the frogs are known to eat the dingy cutworm, a corn pest. They are the only frogs found to feed while underground. Hopefully now you have learned more about the rare and cute Illinois chorus frog. These frogs are threatened in Illinois, live in rare sand prairies, and live for long periods underground. They are threatened by development, roads, and fish. Throughout their range in 3 states, the frogs have declined, especially in Illinois, where their conservation is very important. Research on the Madison County population is being done by Dr. Essner's lab, including my mark recapture study, which will estimate the population near SIUE. Hopefully, this will inform the federal conservation status of the species.